Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Today I'll show you the unboxing, setup, and review of the Govee Curtain Lights. This smart curtain light features 520 individually adjustable RGB LEDs, multiple preset light show effects, DIY mode to create your own animation or download other users' creation. Voice control works with Alexa and Google Home. Indoor and outdoor use. However, the adapter is not waterproof. Unboxing. Text him before installation. Pair with Govee Home app. You may control the light show via the Govee Home app, such as changing the brightness, or select one of the multiple preset light show effects. Installation. Mark down the location where you're going to place the hooks. You may use the G4 hooks with the 3M tape or use the nail hooks. Here I use the nail hooks. Hang the horizontal strings on the hooks. Connect the power and enjoy the light shows. App control. You may find a widget of the smart curtain light in the device section. Tap the quick on/off button to turn on the light. Tap the widget to show more control options. At the Effects Lab option, you may quickly find colors for different themes. At the Timer option, you may set basic timed actions. The action options are either turn the lights on or off. You may set the specific time of the day to activate the action and select repeat at certain days of the week. For example, here is how I set the light to be turned on at 8 p.m. on every Saturday and Sundays. Now you may see the added action timer here. You may toggle it on or off. You may also set a wake-up timer to turn the lights on with a gradual brightening effect, or set a sleeping timer to turn the lights off with a gradual darkening effect. For more detailed scheduling, such as setting a light action on a specific day of the year, you may set it in the Automation Schedule section. The Snapshot List option allows you to access any snapshots that you have taken. I haven't taken any snapshots yet, so it's currently empty. This is the Snapshot button. Tap it to save a snapshot of the current light setting. Name it. Then you can quickly access and apply the same light setting via the snapshot list. The brightness bar allows you to change your LED light brightness. Here are the icons to select different light modes. In music mode, the lights change color according to the music rhythm. You may select the music scene source, sensitivity, and the light effects. In color mode, you may set all the lights to be a solid color or use finger sketch to change the color of individual lights. You may even apply a moving effect on your finger sketch. In Scene mode, you may choose one of the many preset light shows. Tap the icon to apply the selected light show. In DIY mode, you may create your own customized light show. There are several light effect templates to choose from. Then you can customize specific parameters in the chosen effect. It does take some tinkering to make DIY light show. I'll make a separate video in the future to show you how to do it. Here is an example showing the random home gadget's initials. Here's a color-changing one-piece logo that I made. You may also download other users' DIY creations. Tap the Earth icon to get to the Explore section. Select the Smart Curtain device. Click the More button at the DIY video section. You may see all the shared DIY creation by other users. Once you find the right one, click the Apply button to load it on your curtain light. Here are my final thoughts of the Govee Curtain Lights. The pros are easy to set up and install, large selection of preset light shows, powerful DIY mode with endless creation potential. The cons are power adapter not waterproof, not enough pixels for smooth visual effect. Overall, the Govee Curtain Light is a great light decor to brighten up your home. The large selection of preset light shows and the powerful DIY mode make it suitable for your special occasions and holidays. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.